just going to show you a couple of things that I've already done for the car before I started filming. It's blacked this grill out. So yeah, just well, I didn't strip it with sandpaper or anything. I just cleaned it. Cleaned the silver grill, the chrome grill. Painted it with satin black. A few coats. And oh yeah, I ordered a new badge as well. Got a brand spanking new badge. Yeah, I'll see if it pops on. Tripping. Doesn't seem to want to sit. We'll see how we go. Yeah, there's a sweet point. The one. Couldn't get the thing to stay on. But I'll put up a couple of photos. Shows you what it looks like. Yeah, I noticed it does need another coat or two just to fix it up a little bit. I'll do that before I put it on put it on for the last time. But yeah, I do like it. So it's time to talk wheels. One of the other things that I've done recently on this beautiful Fiat is I got some different wheels. So yeah, these ones on it got to go. So I'm not sure what kind of wheels this car is going to end up with, but I'm always open to trying some different things. So yeah, I met this guy called Graham when I had the car at the mechanics, and he's just a fountain of knowledge when it comes to cars, any type of cars. I think Italian cars. He's got so many cars up at his place in different states of repair. But he mentioned he had some Alpha 33 alloys just sitting up there. He's normally got a couple of sets of things, and he said that they just fit straight into a Fiat 128. So I said, all right, I'll come up and get some. So I got these, which pretty good nick. Pretty straight. I mean, obviously needed to clean up. So yeah, what I did pretty much straight away, I think it was the day after I got them, is I got to work on it, sanded it all back, just using the 80 grit. Got myself a can of this stuff. Metal guard, brass. I had no idea they didn't have much there. I just knew I probably just didn't want that gold colour, so I hit it up with a few coats of this, and ended up with this. What do you reckon? Want a bare metal Fiat with maybe some black racing stripes. Obviously lower than it is. Wider. Golder. Yeah. I'm seeing it. Anyway, got 3 more to paint, but that's for a later day. Easy. Which fell off. What down there?
The car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See, finish it up, see what she looks like. Don't you finish up that? Hey, come on.
I'm gonna see if there's any bolts.
Oh, where the mirror is?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's 2 bolts. I'm not sure what size they are.
Hold on, I need a wallet. Let's see.
Actually, I'll probably find out on the book.
Huh?
I've got the parts book, or maybe that's a good way to find out before we randomly try the tool. Not too much action tonight, just a bit of time with the car. Scratched a bit on the old dry paint stripper off. It wasn't much, but cleans her off a bit. It's a cool sight. Well, then me and the offsider, we took all those plastic plugs that were on the bottom sills there, which held the side trim in place. So with a bit of persistence, whoop, maybe I put the finger over the lens mat. It's pretty dark down here. With a bit of persistence, we got that out. And just gave it a bit of a clean with some degreaser. It's the blank slate to start stripping more paint in the next day or so. Till next time.